Hi, Teresa Moss here again. Thanks for hopping over to this page. What I'd like you to do is I want you to go grab a drink, get a snack, and get comfortable. And for the next 15 to 30 minutes, I want you to just tune everything else out. And I want you to read this page very carefully because it very well could change your life for you. There is life-changing information here for you should you take advantage of it. I want you to see exactly what it is that I'm doing, the system that I use that earns my income for me and has put me in a position to be a personal assistant to a multi-million-dollar earner in this industry. I also want you to take note of the people that you're going to meet down below, their stories and their testimonials. They are real people who, just like you and me, at one time decided to use this system and drastically change their lives. These are not made-up stories. There's someone else you're going to meet down below, and that's Jay Kubasek. He's the owner and CEO of this system, and you'll get to learn more about how he built this company into what it is today, which is, available in over 100 countries, and there's thousands of users around the world. Jay is a very respected member of the internet marketing community, and just like I said, enjoy yourself, relax, take all the information in, and I will be talking to you soon.